All right, let's do this again. And we'll just keep with the theme. 1 cup. Sean's got his coffee. Yet again, I don't have mine. All right, here's what we're discussing, and this is something that we always end up talking about.
Yes.
What if you had $100,000 to spend on 1 car, 2 cars, 4 cars?
What would you spend your $100,000 on? Now, we always talk about this, especially recently, a local YouTuber, Hamilton Collection, just gave away a Gallardo with $100,000. Not $100,000.
Worth $100,000.
Worth $100,000, but with 30 grand in cash.
Mm-hmm.
So you can sell that and get about 100 grand for it, or 90.
Yeah, that's how this conversation started.
Yes.
Okay, you win this. You win the Lamborghini Gallardo. Do you keep that? You know, because that's worth $100,000 all day. Or do you sell it, and what do you get? If you stay in the supercar territory, or sports car, supercar, whatever you call it, Gallardo, you can get into an Audi R8.
Even a McLaren 570.
Oof.
You can pick those up for about 90.
It's going to be at the high end of that 100,000. The 12C.
12C.
That's another McLaren.
And then you got the 360.
Yeah, you can go Ferrari. And in our little game that we're playing, you don't have to worry about repairs. You don't have to worry about maintenance, because I know when you talk about older Ferraris, that becomes a concern.
Yes.
So
now, one of the cars that bring up that gets a lot of hate with the supercar community is the Nissan GTR, the R35.
Do you consider that a supercar? Because
I think so.
I know
Even
you
it's
do.
got like what 500-600 horsepower, but it mollywomps on a lot of supercars.
That's one of Sean. That's one of Sean's dream cars.
That's my dream cars. I'm not going to turn it into my dream car vlog. But we got 2 other ones that we can name off.
Mm-hmm.
By Lotus.
Oh yeah. If you like the 100,000 area, fun track car would be they got the Amira and
the Evora.
The Evora. I know the Amira's the new one. That comes in a manual of 6-speed. Amazing. That'd be awesome.
Yeah.
Talk about a fun driving experience. A little peppy, lightweight, manual. But would you eat up your whole 100,000 on a Lotus?
Or can we go a different route? Multiple cars, I'm talking.
And this is where it always gets interesting. Yeah, because man, it'd be awesome to have any one of those cars we just named. But now we could get into. You could start getting some of your old favorites. You could get RX-7, and you could get a Supra.
Don't forget, I know we can't afford the R34 GTR.
Mm-hmm.
Those are about 200 or 180K. But you can get the GTT.
Yeah, I mean, I know it's a GTT. Don't sleep on it. I know I don't have the RB26, but my gosh, can it look just like a GTR?
Yeah, you can get one with the body kit for about 50, maybe 60 grand, and still have 30 plus the extra 30 you got in cash left over.
You put it right in there, and you could be playing in the territory.
Yeah, exactly. That can go towards even RX-7. You can pick those up for about 30 grand. The FDs.
Yeah, definitely an FD.
You did say Supra. You might be able to get the SV one, I think it's called.
Yeah, you mean you could still get a manual, but you won't get the 2J. Or if you want to blow your whole 100,000, then you can go get the 2J.
Yeah, exactly. Now you can get both the R33, and the R32.
Yeah, you get R32. You go GTR route then if you want R32. Man, but I mean, just
what I've been seeing a lot of lately is the Silvia.
Ooh.
Spec Rs.
Yeah, seeing those come over. I mean, that's such a good looking car.
And that leaves you with money to body kit it
and
make it look really nice.
Because you could get into that. I mean, you can get into Spec R. That's less. 40 grand,
40
right?
Grand, yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, 40 grand. And then my favorite is the Evo.
Okay, yeah.
I love the 8. I'm loving the 4 though.
I love how he said, we're not going to get into my dream cars. And here we go.
There you go.
So you got GTR, you got Evo 4. Just go ahead and name it. Yeah, 69 Charger.
Yeah, 69 Charger.
Okay. Yeah, we can talk about American cars too. They're in the route.
Yeah.
But when you think of 100,000, I'd probably go with a couple older cars.
Yeah.
I don't think I'd go 100,000 route as far as like I don't know if I'd spend it all like on
Daytona?
on a C8 or I don't know. Because you can't touch like the Z06.
Yeah,
well, maybe
exactly.
you could. I don't know. I don't know how much those are running, but
Now we do stay away from what the Hellcats. Everybody's got one. We live in Chicago. They get stolen all the time. Or even the Mustangs, crowd control. Yeah,
Yep.
we already know that joke.
Yep.
And
Haha.
even the Camaros. Camaros don't grow on me. I can care less about the Camaros. So
they sound good, but I don't know if I had to go with, a Hellcat, Corvette, or Camaro, or I'd probably have to do. I mean, not Camaro, but Corvette. I'd probably have to do the Corvette. I mean, the C8. Don't get me wrong, it looks good.
Yeah, it does.
It looks good.
It does, especially if you do it right.
When I think of 100,000, my mind goes elsewhere. But this is a discussion we have all the time. I guarantee you guys have had the same discussions with your friends. When you're out there scrolling through Facebook Marketplace, window shopping, looking for stuff you want to buy. So definitely let us know in the comments, like, what route would you go? I mean, you go on multiple cars, or do you got one single car in mind?
Yep. And
man.
Yeah, we're having a conversation with you guys. We want to know what you guys think. Car guys talking to car guys.
Because we do this all the time.
Yeah.
And we come up with the same stuff to each other every time. So it'd be nice to get new opinions on that one.
Yep.
So yeah, just let us know. Leave in the comments. Hit the like button. Subscribe. Like I said, it's free to subscribe.
Yep.
And come on, watch the videos. We're so close to to being monetized.
Yep.
It's stupid. So give us a follow. Watch the videos. We appreciate you guys.
Next time, stay humble, and we'll see you next Monday.